Irashaimase, mina, ohayou gozaimasu. Are you ready to learn all about ga hoshii? This is going to be a great lesson today, guys, and we can't wait to get started. It's going to be really useful for saying that you want something in Japanese. So, welcome to Udon Classroom, where our chefs have prepared you an epic course of grammar for today. And we're going to be learning ga hoshii. So, we're going to be breaking this lesson into 3 different parts and then adding some homework on the end. So, the first part is the intro of the grammar concept to really understand it. Number 2 is the example sentences to make sure that you can use it going forward. And then number 3, we're going to look at some of the vocabulary that we've used in today's lesson that you may not have heard before, just so you guys can go away and check that out and see kind of if you've learned everything, and if there's things that you don't understand, you can go back and revise. So, really excited about this one today, guys. So, 今日僕はめっちゃ元気です。お腹空いてる? I won't let you guys leave without mastering this grammar, so find a space at the counter, pull up a stool, and we'll prepare your meal. And the price? Just one simple like. Let's go. 始めましょう.
Explanation.
So, ga hoshii, it's a Japanese piece of grammar, and the meaning is to want something. So, this grammar is used to show that someone wants something. So, you simply add ga hoshii after the desired object.
How do you form it?
So, how do we form it? We take a noun, which is the desired object, and add ga hoshii. And that's as simple as it is, guys. So it's a really easy one for you to get to grips with. So now, let's move on to some example sentences.
Examples.
So, first one, we'll start off with something really simple. So we have これが欲しい, これが欲しい, which simply means I want this. I want this. So, simple as that. You see something that you want and you're like, これが欲しい, I want this. It's really good, it's really useful, and you can use it straight away. So let's have a look at some more different examples now so you can really get used to it. So, もっとお金が欲しいです。もっとお金が欲しいです。I want more money. Who doesn't? Well, on this example, you might notice we've added des to the end, which makes it a little bit more polite. So you can use that if you want to be polite in situations and you want to be polite about saying that you want more money. Now,
That's interesting.
let's try this next one. 彼女が欲しい。彼女が欲しい。I want a girlfriend. So, if you're a single guy out there and you're looking for a girlfriend, then you can use this. Absolutely great. Now, the next example we're going to have a look at is this one here. So, 新しい GoPro カメラが欲しいです。新しい GoPro カメラが欲しいです。So you can say something specific like this. I want the new GoPro camera. I'd love to see some footage from you guys if you do. And then let's have a look at the last sentence, a little bit more advanced, but you get the idea. So, 日本で作られた車が欲しい。日本で作られた車が欲しい。I want a car made in Japan. Wow, so do I, actually. That would be great. So, we really are, hopefully now you guys have got to grips with this. So let's have a look at some of the vocabulary that we've seen in this lesson.
I'm so excited.
So first off, we have お金, お金, which means money. Great stuff. And then we had the adjective 新しい, 新しい, which means new. Next we had 車, 車, which means a car or a vehicle. And then we had 彼女, which means she, her, or girlfriend. So those are the 4 pieces of vocabulary I want you to concentrate on today as well, guys. If you haven't heard those before, then you can go ahead and revise them. But
Homework. 宿題.
it's now time for your homework. So thanks for watching, and remember to also review the video a few times to make sure that you get it. Come back tomorrow, come back the next day, come back anytime you guys like. And your homework is to write 3 example sentences in the comments, because real progress comes with action. If you enjoyed today's class, make sure to check out more of my lessons. I upload a video a day, and it all follows a similar format, which I hope you guys find super fun and entertaining. So make sure to subscribe みんな、お腹がいっぱいですか？よかったね。We'll see you guys in the next video. Everybody, goodbye for now. またね。
サブスクライブ to the channel。日本語を勉強しましょう。うどん教室へようこそ。始めるぞ。